Now to the severe weather from last night. A couple from Crystal Beach lost everything when their RV flipped over. Here's what's left of Fred and Mary's RV. Winds were so powerful, they say it picked up the RV and completely flipped it while they slept.
Felt like we were in a dryer at the laundromat. It just went over and over. And we spun around with it twice. And then it stopped, and, well, we were trapped underneath the mattress and the wood. But we managed to get out.
Fred says the volunteer fire department came and helped them out. His neighbors are collecting supplies. The couple's lived there since 1998. They say they've been through many hurricanes, but this has never happened before. A much different story today as we had beautiful sunshine. Here's meteorologist Rachel Bryers with more on that.
Yeah, we got that cool front to finally make its way through this morning. Definitely not cool behind that front, though. We actually hit a high temperature today in Galveston of 89 degrees. That is actually record breaking. The record was 87 degrees. That was set back in 1955. So yes, we technically did have a front roll through today, but it definitely didn't cool us down.
Yeah, our trailer, we live in a RV trailer. And pretty good sized one, but it's a big one. And it suits me and my girl.
And y'all were sleeping when it flipped over, right?
Yeah.
So what woke you up? How did you feel when you woke up?
Well, felt like we were in a dryer at the laundromat. It just went over and over. And we spun around with it twice. And then it stopped, and, well, we were trapped underneath the mattress and the wood. But we managed to get out. The volunteer fire department came and helped us out the rest of the way. They're good folk. They work hard.
What was going through y'all's mind when that happened?
Basically, what the hell is going on?
How long have y'all lived out in Bolivar on a trailer?
Our trailer's 40 foot, and how long ago in time? It was about 1:30 in the morning.
How long have y'all lived there?
We lived here. How long you lived there?
Oh, I've been here since '98. I've been through a few hurricanes.
And you never had a flipped over trailer?
Never.